Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will explain to you how to get more connections on LinkedIn. So the first and a very important tip is to just fill up your profile, because if your profile is empty and you look like a robot, then not many people will like to connect with you and talk to you, and not many people will have interest in your profile. So in order to update your profile, just click on this button here. So you can choose, are you a student? I'll say no. From here you type in your company. Well, let's choose something real. Let's say Google. Google title, let's be sales manager. Alright, location, let us have New York. Alright, this is just an example. You can also choose a start date. Alright, let's choose something May 2018. Okay, you can also add skills. Let's press continue. You can choose your country. Let's choose United States. You also need a postal code. Done. And this is just one of the ways to update your profile. As you can see, there's my profile. You can also verify yourself. You can add a whole bunch of stuff here. So none of this essentially you should ignore. You should just fill everything. So your work experience, what you're doing in life, your hobbies, whatever is available here to choose. Just make sure you have your profile filled, and also be active on here as well to get more connections. Alright, and the other way to get more connections is to just go to someone else's profile and interact with their content. So for example, I'm going to go to this woman's page. You want to follow if you like them, if you're interested in the content they're making. You can leave comments, you can like their posts, as you can see. So all of this helps to interact with the person, and also the people that, just like you, go to this profile and watch the posts will be able to see you as well, and you have a chance to connect with someone. And of course, if you're aiming on growing your profile, you can do that as well. So these are just basic tips on how to grow your LinkedIn page and get more connects. If this was helpful, please consider pressing the like button, subscribing to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.